has been arrested for killing Likamva. Hlathi didn't waste time after the confession. Uvele wathi ngempama wagqiba wabiza amapolisa. Zethu came to apologize to Chawe after Mawethu reached out to her. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Ulandle confessed he's the one that killed Likamva. He was drunk. He should have stopped, but he panicked. Uhlathi waqasuka and said, "Come wena la, explain exactly what you did." He was kneeling down, apologizing. Uhlathi wathi ngempama kuLwandle, hit him ngempama etshisayo, and then the next thing he was strangling him, saying, "You killed my son wena." Uthumeka apologized, saying that he was drunk and all that. He should have stopped. He should have stopped at the garage. He should have slept at a friend's place. Uthumeka was like, "What? So you were drunk? Ubunxilile?" Yo, this was so emotional. He apologized, but then Uhlathi was like, "You know what? The only thing we do now is that we need to call the police. We must involve the law. He must face his consequences. He must go. Judge, he must face the judge." He had to be separated from him because Uhlathi wanted to. Yes, we said busy Bukana no Lwandle. I'm separate again. They separated them. I'm push up to please stop. Egalento yenza Uhlathi. Sidi tried to say, "Can we talk about this? We came here because we wanted to reach an agreement. But agreement kanjani? Unyana for unyana." Uhlathi he must face the judge, or else now I'm gonna find my way to revenge. Unyana for unyana, a son for a son. Uthumeka was crying, saying, "So if he had stopped, umntanam kubusaphila again goku," but he didn't help him. Ulandle is so scared of going to jail. He's busy crying, "Please, Baba, talk to them." Uhlathi, "Nope, I'm calling the police." Uhlathi phones the police, saying, "Umuntu oshayiswe Likamva, we know him. Ulandle Zondo is here in my house, Sheshan." And then the police come. They come and then they arrest Ulandle. Ulandle is now busy going off at his dad, saying, "Kuba, when Baba, you lied to me. Begamanja, I'm being arrested. When now he's given, you've done a lot of things, but look at me now." He's busy. He's busy saying, because Usid wanted them to talk. But kanjani, what will you do if it was your son? You must go. You must face the law. Aboshwe Ulandle. Amatamthatha amaphoyisa ahambe naye. Yo, you can just see what Sydney is devastated because what Uhlengiwe was scared of is now happening. Bamthatha ke uLandle, Uhlengiwe is going to have a fit when she hears ukuthi uLandle has been arrested. And then uZethu ke, so family kaBhekitsha naye ka Nqukana, they're sitting just sharing the good times. And then afike ke uZethu to see Uchawe. After Umawethu went to see her, saying, "Wena, how can you do this to Chawe? Chawe is going through a lot, and instead of you being there for her as a friend, you are here, you're distancing yourself from her." This is hard for me. And when I see Uchawe, I see Likamva, and I don't know how to deal with that. It's so confusing for me. But then finally, at least Umawethu sees Zile, because now Uzethu went to see Uchawe, and they talked, and she apologized for hurting her feelings, saying, "I want to be there for you as a friend, but I just didn't know how." As with Chawe, it is confusing for me too. I don't feel like Likamva. I don't even feel like myself. The whole thing is confusing for me. And then they made up again. And Umaga Zolega was saying, "We need to give Thumeka grace. She's going through a lot. She's grieving." But Lazarus wanted her to be administered in an institution, saying she needs help. But at least Zoleka no Mawake think no, she deserves grace. So she's going to recover from home. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.